out of the game.
Hi, I'm Kelsa Dickey, the CEO of the Financial Coach Academy and my financial coaching business, Fiscal Fitness Phoenix. My coaching journey began more than a decade ago with me helping people for free from my dining room table. What was once a little business of mine has grown into a 7-figure company that employs a team of people. My goal is simple, to help you fall more and more in love with financial coaching. I believe financial coaching is the most rewarding way to make a living. If you are an aspiring financial coach or have been coaching for years, I'm here to help you create a business you love that gets your clients massive results. Let's get to it. Hey, financial coaches. Guess what? This is episode 50, and it is also our last episode of the year. I can't believe it. I have nothing fancy or special to say, except it has been a really fun journey for me creating these episodes, and I just want to say thank you for following along, and cheers to 50 more. How about that? I wanted to remind you that registration for the Client Creator Challenge is now open. You can register anytime between now and when it starts on January 14th. But if you register before midnight on December 31st, you will get an extra special bonus. Jill is hosting a live workshop on designing your one-to-one coaching offer, and it's totally free for those who register for the Client Creator Challenge before the end of the year. So I hope you will join us. If you want clients to coach or you want more clients to coach in 2024, this 90-day program is perfect for you. If you are curious about this challenge and want to find out more, I'm going to include a link to the Client Creator Challenge in the show notes of this episode, or you can go to financialcoachacademy.com, and in the menu, you'll see events, and then under events, you'll see Client Creator Challenge. From there, you can either register to join us or simply add your name to the waitlist to get more details before making your decision. I look forward to seeing you in the challenge and helping you to totally transform your client attraction and conversion efforts in 2024. And if you are interested in participating, but now is just not the right time for you for any reason, I still want to encourage you to add your name to the waitlist at the link I mentioned so that you can get notified when we do the challenge the following year. If you remember from an earlier episode, I alluded to a big announcement that I was making, and part of that was I gifted coaches who had enrolled in the Financial Coach Academy a whole bunch of our specialty toolkits. The value of these toolkits was $3,497, and I literally just gave them all to the coaches who had previously enrolled in the Academy. I got so many messages back, which was super fun because me and my team had been giddy, truly giddy leading up to the announcement, just thinking about what everyone's reaction might be. And so I am going to read one of the messages at the start of this episode, and I'm going to be just sprinkling them in every so often going forward too, just as my way of showing appreciation to those who took the time to email us and share their thoughts with us when we made the announcement. So here's the first one. This one is from Stephanie Lyons. She says, "Oh my God, I can't wait. Thank you, Kelsa, for all you do to help. This has been the best year yet in my business ever since doing the Client Creator Challenge earlier this year. I refer to the Academy materials often, so I am excited to see these new bonuses. I'm sure they're going to be amazing." Thank you so much, Stephanie. All right, Coach, we are continuing our adventure down the client journey in order to provide you with the ultimate growth guide for your financial coaching business. Your client journey is everything. It's the path your clients take to make progress and get results. It's the path you are going to lead them down. In order to do that effectively and in a way that creates success for both you and the client, there are key elements we want to pay attention to. These are your levers of growth. Understanding this journey and how both you and the client play a role in making it successful is your ultimate guide to growth, because you'll be able to see that this is where your growth comes from. You, your business, and your clients all grow as a result of the client journey we are going to be exploring together today. This journey is what took me from a brand new coach helping people part-time to a solo coach doing more than $25,000 per month in revenue by myself, which is not something you can do if you don't have efficient systems set up in your business to support you and your clients, to now a 7-figure financial coaching company that has a team of financial coaches, all performing this exact same process. It is also what we teach in the Financial Coach Academy program to coaches just like you, so we know it works, and we have hundreds of case studies to prove it. We have officially tackled the first 8 steps of this journey, and now we're on to the 9th and final step, the periodic coaching program. This step is going to blow your mind, coach. But first, let's start by talking about what your client is likely experiencing, thinking, and feeling at this stage of their journey, and the role you play in meeting them where they're at. That way you can really see why this is the step of the business you're going to want to create, okay? We're going to discuss the transition between steps 8 and 9 of the client journey, and then we'll wrap up in the next part by exploring the final step. If you haven't yet downloaded it, you can see a visual representation of this client journey roadmap by going to financialcoachacademy.com/client journey. Where we left off is a client who is working with you in your initial program. That program can be 90 days, it can be 12 months, and any other length of time in between, and probably even longer than 12 months if you wanted. The client is adopting new habits, new skills, and likely seeing themselves differently with money. All really beautiful things, right? One of the greatest benefits of a coaching program for your clients is that you are able to help them navigate the ups and downs that they're going to experience as they're making changes and adopting these new habits, or simply as life happens. For a number of reasons, change is certainly the hardest at the beginning for our clients. They're trying to adopt new habits and manage their money differently while trying to break old habits that feel much more routine, all while expenses are popping up or life is throwing them curveballs. Oftentimes, they're attempting to make changes and to get ahead while life is happening all around them, right? Not only that, but some of the obstacles they'll face initially are totally self-inflicted. They might procrastinate or not carve out the time. They might feel overwhelmed, even though what you two discussed seemed crystal clear initially. They might feel confused by something that they read or hear. They might simply begin to hesitate or doubt themselves or the plan overall. When change occurs initially, the effort is often greater than the immediate results. Think about your own business. You might not be gaining immediate gratification from your hard work, meaning it's a lot of time, work, and effort without any proof it's working. A program can help overcome all of these initial setbacks. We are there to help a client stay focused and motivated until the results come. Remember, you are always doing a dance between future casting, showing them what's possible, reminding them of where they're going and what they are creating, and keeping their goals and vision front of mind for them, while also coaching them on the here and now, the changes and decisions they're making today to support that future. From my experience, when clients first begin coaching with me, they are taking what feels like to them a huge leap of faith. They are trusting that the changes they are making will work, but they don't fully believe it yet because they haven't seen the proof yet. Plus, they're often making changes before they have this identity that they are the person who can make those changes. You will launch your business coach before you fully feel like a financial coach. You will hire your first employee or VA before you feel like a boss, right? Our clients will begin managing their money better before believing they are the type of person who is good with money. This is why I say initially, we have to have the belief in the journey we are guiding our clients through because they are going to be borrowing from our belief, especially at first. They're going to do things because, well, you say this is going to work, so I'm doing it, right? A really good example of this is setting up sinking funds.
Are you finding this content helpful? This is just the beginning. The full episode dives even deeper into how to add a long-term coaching offer to your business that is designed to support your clients for years while providing you with a recurring and steady income. If you're ready to hear the rest and get all the tools and insights you need to build a business that supports you and your clients during each step of their coaching journey, head over to financialcoachacademy.com/ultimate growth guide. Don't miss out on the full episode.